You. My guys, another package came through today. So I'm doing today, what are they called? They're called shark teeth. That's what they're called. Shark teeth grills. These I got from Bling Cartel. And these are pre-made. These aren't custom ones I ordered. This is something I wanted to try different, just to show y'all. Jesus Christ, this is like glued on there. Boom, the business card. Y'all see that? And these, what they look like. That's how they come in. Probably the top ones, the bottom ones. I'm gonna take it out the package real quick. Jeez, my nose, it's like running. Yo, the way they sound, oh, they look pretty cool though, I'm not gonna lie. The way they sound is hilarious, bro. Ah, they're sharp too. Yeah, these things are sharp. Alright, y'all, I've been trying to lift these things up, put them together like this. Check them out. That's what they look like. They're really sharp, for sure, for sure. This is the back. You gotta pull these right there in the back. These right here, back more, so you can fit this little plastic thing. Oh, where's it at? Oh, right here. So this is supposed to turn white where you can't see it. Oh, I'm dropping the grill. Yeah, I'm gonna get these custom made. These are ridiculous pre-made, but they're more affordable for people who can't afford them. So me getting shark grills, I probably wouldn't get them. I just wouldn't. They're sharp as fuck. I'd be buying the shit on my tongue. So dang, you gotta really press this thing in, man. Oh my goodness, yeah, I'm hurting my fingers. You gotta press this thing in, bro. So this is what they're supposed to look like when you take them out. They're supposed to look clear. I just have to find the other one. I end up losing it. I'm about to put this in my mouth in a bit. Wow, this thing's hot, dude. This thing's hot. Oh, this shit's hot, bro. I don't even want to put this shit in my fucking mouth. This shit's hot as hell. Oh my goodness. Ooh. That's hot. Ooh, wow, that's hot. I'm about to have to put it in though. I have to do this review. Hey yo. This is mad weird in my mouth. This grill. Yeah, it's kind of hard to talk with this in my mouth. I don't know how into Rip and Trippy Red talk with this shark grill in their mouth. Ugly. Yo, it's so ugly. Yo, look at. Hey, yo, that's so ugly, dude. I want to put the other one on once I find the back piece. Dog. Dog, that is dumb ugly. Ew, I don't know. Look, you can see my teeth on the bottom.
Almost there. Alright, so it's just about cleared up right now. I'm gonna put this in my mouth in a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna do it right now. It's cleared up right now.
See how it's all clear like that? That's how it's supposed to be. You know it's ready, it's gonna be really hot. Ouch. Ah, dude! Yeah, that's hot water. Damn, some hot ass water, man. So that's how it's supposed to look like, all clear like that. Really hot right now. Alright, y'all see this? It's so clear. I'm gonna attempt to put these on real quick. It's hot. It's hot.
Bro.
Hard. It's hard to speak with these on. It's real hard to speak with these on. These are dumb ugly. They don't even fit all the way in the bottom. Like, it's perfect on top, but on the bottom, it's like it's so little. It just came up right now. I'm about to do this in the water again, just so it molds better and properly. Cause like it froze up real quick, as you can see. Very bad molding, very bad one. That was a bad one. Alright. Yo. I'm about to dip this again in there. Oh my god. Alright, y'all. So, again, it's back to its like original clear color, which means it's good to go. Oh, damn, this is hot, this is hot, this is hot. This is very hot. Ow. And the thing about these are so pointy and sharp too. So, let's go over here with a little more lighting. I just crack up seeing that every time. Oh damn, dude, you're fucking sharp as hell. I just bit my gum, and I talk so fucking ugly, bro. I can't. Yo, you see the mole right there? Hey, yo. Nah, bro. These ones are for sure to play around with. They're kind of hard to talk with too. They're hard to talk with them on. And I'll go for the custom ones if you can't afford the custom ones. get these ones. They're only like $25. I think 25 or 30, something like that. At the website of blingcartel.com. I'm not sponsored or nothing like that. Me personally, me personally, I like doing review videos. I like trying out things and just see how they are. Oh, that's ugly mode. Probably gonna tell the difference. Let's take this on that. Get. Oh damn, that was stuck in. This is a good mold. That was stuck in there though. That was stuck in there. Jesus Christ, my teeth are so messed up. I'm gonna get these hot again. This mold's like all over the spot, all over the place. This mold. Ciao. Ow. Yo, these teeth are sharp as fuck, bro. You gotta hurt somebody with these fucking teeth. They look cool. It's just hard to speak with these boys on, bro. Like, what the hell? Dumb ugly. How would I rate these? Man, 1 out of 10. Probably like a 7, bro. Why 7? Because you gotta be careful when you talk with these, bro. You got to biting your gum, your tongue, and you can't speak properly too. You really can't. My other girls, I can speak proper. And that's one. I just recommend get custom grills. Dude, I'm ready to bite my fucking tongue. Get custom grills, y'all. These pre-made ones, just like they're for fun, they're for fun. Unless you can't afford a custom grill, get yourself a pre-made grill, y'all. Look at the mold. That don't cracks me up seeing it every time. What's this coil? Well, this is a video of, the review video, my bad. Get them on blingcartel.com if you want. Little business card to show you. And yeah, check them out. They do custom grills too and pre-made grills. I hate how I talk, bro. I'm out of here.